Welcome. In front of me I have the HUAWEI Watch GT3, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick little spec sheet look. So anyway, let's pop it straight open. Unlike some other HUAWEI devices, we don't have any kind of info at the back. As an example, I have one like right here, though this is fairly cheap comparing to this. But as you can see, we have a fairly nice little info at the back. Nothing like that in here. And there we go. And right off the bat, the presentation right here is, well, significantly better than what I literally just unboxed, which is this Watch Fit 2. Which I guess you would expect from a price tag of about $200 US. I do like that gold accent. Ooh, so this is running a stainless steel band, I think. That's what it is. It has some heft to it too. Now in here obviously we'll have additional links. So if you need a bigger band right here, you can just add or subtract the links. We get a charger itself, so a magnetic one. You just kind of slap it on here to charge it, and just paperwork, so I'm not really gonna take that out. Man, they really clamped that down here. Okay, so how it's turning on. Looks pretty nice, obviously, as you would expect from a more luxurious smartwatch, or at least the design of it. We have a fairly big display, which I'm trying to find an angle where you can kind of see the display. Oh, there we go. So all the like lighter like grayish color right now on the display, that is the display, and anything here is just a bezel. We do have a rotating crown with some vibrations behind it. So I'm not really going to go through the setup. It is running, I believe, a Harmony OS, right? Most likely. So yeah, it's going to be as you would expect from majority of typical smartwatches, minus the access to things like Play Store, because it's not running the Wear OS. It's running, I believe, Harmony OS. So yeah, you're not going to get anything like that. So just kind of looking at it, it looks pretty nice. Now let's see how many links we got here, just out of curiosity. So it looks like we got I think triple ones. Nope. Okay, so we just get like, we go 4 additional links. Now, like I mentioned before as well, because here we got more, if you need it, you can always remove the links, though I do recommend doing that at like some jewelry store or some other place, just because it requires a little bit of fiddling with it. You need to push out those pins right here between to basically separate the links, and then remove however many you want, and then push back in the pin to lock it back in place. Or actually, oh, my bad. Is that what I think it is? Oh damn, it is. I am wrong. It looks like they improved the design right here. So if you look at it right here, you can see that you can basically detach them by pulling this. Let's see if I can do it. Almost. As you can see, it's kind of separated. There we go. So separation of it really easy, and you can shorten it by however many you want, or well, actually no, let me rephrase it, not about however many you want. You can shorten it by, for both 4, okay, and on the other side another 4. The reason why you can't do 5 is because you still need to have one that it can clip onto. You can also do what I said by pushing out the pins, but this is a much simpler way that they implemented right here, and additionally it's basically toolless, so anybody can do it, which is a really nice thing that they did. Now let's see if it's as easy to clip it back in. Now you do need to kind of do it at an angle. There we go. Pull it back down. There we go. And that was really easy. So anyway, not much more to say about this watch apart from maybe just the specs right here. So quickly going into all of them, we are looking at 4 gigabytes of memory with apparently 32 megabytes of RAM. Damn, that is like really low amounts. We are looking at Harmony OS 2.0, water resistance of 5 atmospheres, which is about 50 meters, though it can vary just a little bit, so keep that in mind. AMOLED display, 1.43 inch display right here with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and 455 milliamp hour battery. So these are like the primary specs of this watch. Obviously we have everything that you'd expect, like accelerometer, gyroscope, heart rate monitor, barometer, compass, and so on. So basically anything that you'd expect from a bit more premium watch like this one. But yeah, with that being said, there is not much more to say about this, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.